Hello, mambo vipi watu wangu, kama kawaida I'm your host Saimo, the CEO Saimo TV. Na leo niko na mgeni wa heshima manze. A high profile guest. Anaitwa pale Benson. Benson, wacha tukupee, anza na pale na intro, tueleze wewe ni nani, unatoka maeneo gani na unapiga shughuli gani?
Thank you so much, Saimo. My name is Benson Talengo. I come from Narok, Kilgoris, specifically Oloibor Soito location. I'm the CEO of Murani Wild Adventures and also a safari guide, a freelance safari guide. Yeah.
Where? We saw you with iShowSpeed, the best YouTuber worldwide, iShowSpeed. Tulikuona pale ukimguide throughout the Masai Mara and the Masai culture.
Yeah.
Bwana, ulipata aje chance ya kukutana na iShowSpeed? Ama ni wewe ndio ulimleta Kenya?
That's a very nice question. I met iShowSpeed. Actually, I hosted iShowSpeed in the Masai Mara on 12th of January. Mi kupatana na iShowSpeed, he was brought to Africa by an agent kutoka Ghana. The agent is called Enroute 54 Limited. Wao ndo wamekuwa na shughuli ya kutembeza iShowSpeed Africa. They are the ones who connected me to this link, and I was working as a receiving agent in the Masai Mara. Specifically, iShowSpeed visited Masai Mara to do his stream alongside a safari, and also to visit the Masai tribe and get to touch base with the Masai people, to interact, get to know a lot of our Masai tradition, and also just to be more familiar with the Masai culture. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. How did the iShowSpeed reacted to the Masai culture? His reactions, the dances, jumping competition. What was his? How did he react?
iShowSpeed was so happy. Indeed, he had no competitor when it came to the jumping competition. So it was a very good chance for him to feel that he can jump higher than each and every other warrior in that particular village on that particular day. He was so happy to taste the Masai dishes as well. He tried the choma, alikunywa damu, na pia mliona akikula figo. Yeah, he was so happy. Of course, he wasn't sure of the impact baadaye, but haikumsumbua sana. He was okay.
So venye jamaa tulimuona nakimbia choo kidogo, kulikuwa na shida?
Hapana, hiyo ilikuwa kipindi. Hiyo ilikuwa kipindi. It was among his part ya live stream yake. Yeah, he had to do that.
Okay, Benson, were you aware that over 49 million people are watching you in the live stream ya ule jamaa huyo iShowSpeed? Ulikuwa aware? How was the experience? Ulifeel aje ba?
About the audience, it wasn't actually 49 million, but it was a close figure to 49 million live viewers. I was aware because in Nairobi on 11th I'll stream for more than 48 million. So as well, coming to Mara, I was okay, fine. Let me say I've never get a chance to be viewed with such a multitude number of people, but chance ya ku guide iShowSpeed was one of its own. It's one of amongst the biggest thing that has ever happened in my life. That was the first. So guiding a high-end and high-profile client like iShowSpeed, it was a very, very moment of its own to my life as a safari guide. Yeah.
Acha tukuja hapo kwa accuracy na hii kizungu yote ulikuwa unapiga.
Yeah.
Hii ni kama, how long did you practice this, ama ni kitu umepiga hii shughuli for long?
It's not about we practice. I guess people has to understand that as the Maasai people, we've also seen global. We've gone to school, we are learned, and speaking of eloquent and fluent English is the basic thing that we also want for ourselves. Picha ya Wamasai imekuwa ikionekana kama ni Wamasai ni watu wenye hawajui kizungu, Wamasai ni watu tu wa kuchunga ng'ombe. But we have to change the narrative. I guess also the Masai people wame advance in one way or the other. So English yangu ni ya kutoka Kilgoris, specifically Kilgoris constituency. Education yangu nimefanya Kilgoris, that is primary education. and also to my secondary education nimeifanya yote Kilgoris.
Kilgoris.
Yeah.
So kizungu yote ni ya Kilgoris.
Kizungu yote ni ya Kilgoris. Alafu interaction yangu pia ndio maybe imesaidia sana kushape English yangu.
We?
Yeah.
So Mr. Benson, what opportunities do you hope will come now after the exposure? Umehost akina Aisha Speed.
Yeah.
Una expect utakuwa na opportunities gani haswa kwa kampuni yako?
Expectations ni mingi. Number one, right now I've made a name. Right now a lot of people knows that there is a safari guide who is called Benson Talengo. And I guess the only safari guide in the entire field of tour guiding who had a chance to meet, spend more time, and also to guide Aisha Speed as a guest in the Masai Mara. Opportunities are many. I'm looking to more business to come in, and also as more business is coming in, the company will also expand. So as the company expand, you also see that we'll have to create more job opportunities to other people as well, as much as compared venye tuko sahi. Yeah.
Thank you. Benson.
Yeah, man.
The popular Benson.
Yes.
Saizi tunakuita Aisha Speed wa Kenya.
Bana, watu wananiambia wa own Aisha Speed. A lot of people are commenting you are the Aisha Speed of Kenya. But mimi sikimbiangi na speed. I'm very slow and I guess I'm sure.
So saizi sisi tunakujua kama millionaire. Si Aisha amekuachia kakiti?
Uongo, sitaki kudanganya.
Acha bwana.
Siwezi danganya. I was doing my job. But let me say I was paid to do what I did. Yeah. But story ya watu wanasema sijui this guy amekuachia milioni ngapi. No. I don't wanna lie. I was paid to deliver my service. And that's what I did. And I'm very sure pia na nyinyi mliona what I did.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, so
and, nice job, nice work.
Very true.
Serikali, tukuja hapo kwa government.
Government.
Wana support watu kama nyinyi bwana. Are they supportive to you guys? Tuseme hata venye uli host Aisha Speed kuna support ulipata yote kutoka kwa gava?
I guess the reason why sikupata any support kutoka kwa government is I'm not very sure if the government knew that Aisha Speed was coming to Kenya. I'm not very sure. But as well, let me say hakuna any support nilipata kwa government since or before Aisha Speed came and also after. But maybe after now watu wamejua it's me who hosted him. Maybe the government might think to come along and collaborate with me, or they might also fail. It depends, you know. Or else what I think what the government has to do is their choice. For the good work that I did, I guess is now for them to see the better thing that I do, the good work that I do. More so showcasing the Maasai tradition. That was the most important part. That despite I didn't make a lot of money, but I'm so happy at least nili market.
Yeah, kampuni.
Nili market tradition yangu kama Maasai. Na big na do sinye ol kwa klol Maasai wi na sha. Mugejo dil Maasai marol Maasani.
Yeah.
Kedil tungana ko kaya do amposti kadha na ri social media. Kedil tungana la gra ipoti ya jo maina. Kedil nyola ya ga ikiji kamau. Ajo sawa.
Okay,
Yeah,
Benson, any message to the Ministry of Tourism?
My message to the Ministry of Tourism, straight to the CS of Tourism, to the PS, and all the government officials who work in under the Ministry of Tourism. Of course, we have the Kenya Tourism Board, the Magical Kenya. By the way, thank you so much, Magical Kenya, for partnering with me. I had some guys from Kenya Tourism Board, whom we started, we met before Aisha Speed landed in Masai Mara, and we really collaborated well, and I really thank them for believing in me. At first they were not sure who is this, but after we met with them, had some meetings with them, they had to believe in me in taking over this particular duty of guiding Aisha Speed. So just my message to the government and the Ministry of Tourism at large is for them to put an eye to the most, we have a lot of guides. We have a lot of safari guides who are not employed and who are not getting opportunities to make their life better. It's not that they are not learned. They are very learned. Some of them has the best experiences of the field, and also some have the best experiences as well in culture and traditions. So just my request to the government and the Ministry of Tourism at large is for them to put an eye, come up with a plan of looking for these guides, because we have guides that can do better, more than what I did. And from that field, and also just to support them, making sure that they also get a living, and to also get a chance to elevate their profession.
Thank you so much, Ben.
You're welcome.
Are you personally employed by the Kenyan government?
I'm not employed by the government. I'm not employed by the government.
Really?
I'm not employed by the government. But I guess some people as well are trying to circulate some rumors that I was sent by the government
to guide iShowSpeed.
to guide iShowSpeed. That is a lie. Guiding iShowSpeed was a duty that I was given by the agent who brought iShowSpeed to Kenya. So it was my duty assigned from En-Route 54 Limited to guide iShowSpeed in Kenya.
And the agent is not even a Kenyan?
The agent is not Kenya. The company is in Ghana. Yeah, it's in Accra, Ghana.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mr. Talengo.
Yeah, man.
The popular Talengo Speed of Kenya. Have you ever came across Saimo TV?
Yeah, Saimo TV, I know Saimo TV, but we've never interacted, man.
What do you tell my viewers there? What's your message to the viewers?
Please keep on supporting Saimo TV. Keep watching the content. And please, now that he met Olmurani, please go on and check what Olmurani Wild Adventures is doing actually. Yeah.
Asanteni sana, thank you so much all my fans. Keep on tuning Saimo TV.